Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video and happy holidays. Today's video is going to be awesome because we're going to be looking at three very important things. The first is Bitcoin is having a significant bottom formation called the diamond bottom, which is forming right now and is about to break out. So more information on that later. And the second one is, FTT has been classified as a security by the SEC. So we're going to look at what could this mean for other exchange tokens such as BNB, OKB, BGB, etc., and which exchanges are now potentially in problem because most of their reserves are held in their native exchange tokens. And the third of all, we're going to look at SBF's bail. I mean, what the hell? How did this guy manage to get out on a $250 million bail? So guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That's all I ask. Helps out the videos completely for free. Takes 2 seconds. So make sure to do that. And without further ado, I'm CryptoKid, and let's jump into the Bitcoin price to begin. So this is the bottom formation that we can see on Bitcoin. It is called a diamond bottom, and we can see this on both the 4-hourly and the 1-hourly time frame. And now we can see that if it breaks to the upside, we will have a target of $17,350. Now this resistance, this target as well, is very nice because we see it being hit many times in the past, especially dating back to November 11th of 2022. So if the price breaks to the upside, we could see a likely move towards this resistance. We may not hit it perfectly because this is where all the take profits of traders will be. We hit it here as well. So we could be like a little below this take profit resistance, but I'll show you the pattern here as well. So we see downward movement in price, then we form this diamond shape, and boom, we have a likelier chance of breaking to the upside. But as always, guys, this is technical analysis. It won't happen every single time 100%. So as always, nothing in this video or channel is financial advice, so make sure to do your own research. As always, I'm just showing my opinions of what I see on the chart and what could potentially happen given the TA. But I think it has even a more higher probability of breaking to the upside because we see this bull flag on the 1-hourly time frame, and which bull flags mostly break to the upside as well. So along with this and some volume, we could reach this next profit target. And also, if we look at the macro as well on the weekly time frame, this is one of hundreds of indicators, right? But it is a very, very powerful indicator, and this is the RSI divergences, right? Especially on a large time frame like the weekly chart. We could see at the top of the bull market at the all-time high, we had a bearish divergence on the RSI, and this caused us to go into a massive bear market. But now what we can see is we're forming a immense bullish divergence, right? The complete inverse of this, which could potentially, just looking at this, disregarding the fundamentals, the bad fundamentals that we're most likely going to have next year, it could take us to a bull market, or at least have a relief rally in the mid to long term. So beginning next year, we could potentially see a relief rally on Bitcoin. So that is awesome. But the second thing that we want to discuss is, guys, also before I forget, you can also use the link in my description below to get up to $30 on your new TradingView plan, which is basically double the subscription fee of a month of the Pro plan, which is awesome. So you can sign up using that, and also join my Telegram channel. It's completely for free, and I tend to share my analysis before uploading the videos on the Telegram channel. So it's completely for free. You can join over there. And also, finally, you can use my Bybit link to trade as well. You can get up to 0% maker fees and up to a $4,000 deposit bonus as well. This is awesome because maker fees can add up to a huge sum if you're trading quite frequently, so you can use my link there. But always do your own research on what exchange you feel comfortable trading with, but I personally think that Bybit is the best for derivatives. But again, do your own research. But yeah, so this was the second news that I wanted to show you guys. So FTT, right, is now ruled out as a security. Now this is terrible because a lot of exchanges, most of the big ones, they have their own exchange token. And one of the reasons why FTT was ruled out as a security was because of its buy and burn program. Because this initiative is used by many other exchange tokens, and it's akin to a stock buyback where revenue from FTX would repurchase and burn FTT, thus increasing its value. And a bunch of other stuff highlighted in this article, which you could check out on CoinDesk. But this is terrible because we know that a bunch of other exchanges does this same mechanism as well, like Binance's BNB, Huobi's HT token, OKB from OKX, BGB from BitGet. They all have similar things, right? So this could mean all other exchange tokens could be securities as well. So I would completely refrain from holding any of these exchange tokens just in case that it may be ruled out as securities like FTT. And also we know that in proof of reserves of all of these exchanges, most of their proof of reserves are held up by their own native token like BNB. So we looked at Binance a couple of days ago, which you could find in the channel as well. And most of their reserves was in BUSD and BNB. Now, this is terrible. If they are ruled out as securities, this could cause like huge bank run on exchanges. So I actually looked into OKX, and OKX published a new proof of reserves document just very recently, and you can see that they hold over 100% of the required Bitcoin that their customers have, Ethereum and USDT, I believe it was. So exchanges like this, I think personally, again, not financial advice, but is the best way to go. So be careful of this. If you have any of these tokens, make sure to watch out. Now, the final piece of news that I'm going to come to today is SBF being sent home after his parents put up their house to cover his astronomical bail bond. So basically, he had a $250 million bail bond on him, right? This is a crazy figure, and I believe it broke like a world record or something, but he was able to pay it. And he even said that he had only $100,000 in his bank left, but somehow he makes $250 million of bail. Now, the explanation to this is because basically his parents have a home in Sao Paulo or something like that, apparently with an evaluation of $25 million. So they put that as the deposit to the bail, basically, and apparently you only need to put up 10% worth of equity to make bail. So that's exactly how SBF was let out, if you are wondering. And his next trial date is on the 5th of January next year. But that is it for me today, guys. Make sure to leave a like if you like this news, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells, because I post these daily whenever breaking news happens and whenever TA is making moves as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays. I hope you take care, and see you guys in the next video, well, hopefully tomorrow. So take care, guys, and bye-bye.